Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete all followers on Instagram at once. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account of Instagram. And once you're there, head over to your profile and by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you are there, tap on the T-lines icon on the top right. And then you can just check here for your followers and following people's right here. You can also go back and go to the followers section, and from here you can just delete the followers from here. Like if you want to delete someone, just tap the cross icon right here and it will be just deleted. So yeah, this is how you can just do it, but there is no shortcut to delete all the followers. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next one.